Yan, hello everyone. Let's unbox a package from Princess Yarimi and Ino Oppa from Korea, o diba? This is my third package from Princess Yarimi and Ino Oppa. Yan, tteokbokki, rice cake, my favorite. Wow. Thank you, Oppa and Princess Yarimi. Thank you so much. Ayan, another tteokbokki. Thank you so much. And thank you. 246 tteokbokki rice cake. Wow, that is so yummy. Thank you, Princess Yarimi, beautiful Princess Yarimi and Ino Oppa. Thank you always. Ayan, let's put back to the box. Charot. Ayan, and collagen. Oh my god, collagen. Collagen is the best, number one. From Princess Yarimi and Ino Oppa. Thank you so much. Ayan, let's read the instruction. Kahit di natin maintindihan. Wow. Ayan, salamat. Thank you so much, Ino Oppa and Princess Yarimi. Now, let's open the collagen. Charot. And, yeah, let's see. Let's check. And let's taste. Ayan, o, diba? Para siyang chocolate. Now, let's open one and let's start taking collagen. Oh my god. Collagen is the best. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yummy. Ayan, the taste is not so, I'm not familiar with the taste, but it's little sweet, like candy. Sana all, like candy. Ayan, thank you everyone. Princess Yarimi, thank you so much. And Ino Oppa. Ayan, please subscribe to Princess Yarimi and Ino Oppa, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you again. Thank you so much. Yummy collagen. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Oppa and Princess Yarimi. Collagen. And tteokbokki. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.